end of part 1. So I did check this math and I did it correctly. I was nervous about that. I'm going to flip the page over and we're going to talk about dividing, just a few more examples. So now dividing with scientific notation is the same idea, where we're going to divide the coefficients. So I'm going to divide 1.3 by 5, and I'm going to grab my calculator this time. So I got 0.26. And then I need to subtract the exponents. Or I can think about it with a negative exponent. So I'm going to do 4 minus a negative 1. So that's going to become 4 plus 1, which will be 5. Another way to think about this is 10 to the 4th and 10 to the negative 1. So this is going to move to the top and become 10 to the 5th. Now again, we have that weird non-scientific notation. 26 cents is not enough for lunch. So we need to make this number bigger. It needs to be a 1-digit number. So I need to move that over once. If I move that one bigger, this one's going to get smaller by 1. So 2.6 times 10 to the 4th. Okay. So 2.6 makes sense because it's in between 1 and 10. Our next problem here, do 5 divided by 2, which is 2.5. And then again, I can subtract the exponents, but subtracting these exponents is kind of a pain. I do negative 3 minus a negative 7, so it's be negative 3 plus 7, which is 4. Or you can just think about flipping them. Oops, that should be a 3. So flip that over. Where are there more? There's more on top, and it'd be a 4. Same thing we get here. Now this one's okay because 2.5 is in between 1 and 10, so that's perfectly fine the way it is. All right, and then finally, finally we're gonna finish up this last question. It asks us to rewrite in scientific notation. Currently it's not, because again, 0.25 is too small. 25 cents is too small for lunch. So I need to make this number bigger. So if that number gets bigger and becomes 2.5, this one will get smaller. But think about negative numbers. Think about negative degrees right now. So negative 5, if it gets colder, if it gets smaller, it'd be negative 6. So it got smaller. All right, so making sure it's clear what you guys have to get finished for homework. I'm going to try to review that with you guys. So you should have watched, well, last time we were together was way back on last Friday. We did page 499. We did numbers 21 through 45 odds. So we got that last Friday. Then you guys got an assignment last class, so digital Snowday from Monday. You should have done online quiz that went with the video. That was 4 questions, or 3 questions. Then there was a homework assignment with that, and that homework assignment was like 2 different pages. I don't remember off the top of my head. It was like 540 or something. So double check the homework from last class. And now we'll have a snow day Wednesday. And again, there's going to be an online quiz that goes with this. I haven't written it yet, so I don't know how many questions it'll be. And then there's going to be a homework that goes along with this. But this time it's a worksheet. You can print it if you want. Otherwise, you can just read it off the internet and then just write it on loose leaf. So either on loose leaf. So you should have 3 homework assignments to turn in. This bookwork assignment, I'm not sure. Again, I don't have it in front of me at this second. But it was from section, this is 8.4, is from section 8.3, so the 8.3 bookwork. So hopefully you guys have that listed there. But so there's 3 different things you guys should be bringing to me, and this is all due by Friday. in the morning. So make sure you guys get that taken care of. You have a couple days to do that. Send me messages if you guys have issues with anything, but hopefully everything's going fine. We'll definitely talk about all this, so I know that my videos are not a replacement for my in-class teaching, but hopefully you guys got a pretty good grasp of what we've been talking about. I hope you guys are having a great day, and we'll see you guys on Friday. Take care.